Odafo, mami mo akwaba emfa umbra GCN page so meeting ede adwa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Fa unsa mi abe on so ubenya notification. Ense me ekoso awie ubenya bi etie anase ubenya bi ahwe. Adofo ye nyenim se da so a ewo court ensenseme ho. NDC fo omo de omo nsem ekoda Supreme Court. Say Supreme Court NKB emfa emomo because omo susu say 2020 about na yetso no omo na SSN komo enwunia madam Jane Mensa EC boss ewiem de ema NPP amayoko nti no court nsensem na eda so ekoso ewo oman mu na eno na owura Mensa Thompson de ensem bia tudwa na nsem a okay na ne say adenti na NDC for no anytime on be court the bibia omo ba out na omo omo ho say eya koye say court no anase judges no empese beka asem ne bi de amomo anase eya koye say judges no kra ebu asem no de agu omo so nenu na owura Thompson say the NDC for eye yina no eye public sympathy bi na omo epe because some of the mo asem akodan Supreme Court na mo susu say court no enke bi mamo anase judges no enhwe na omo embua asem no pepepe dia ene na esese nka mo nso mo ye dia eye because ewiase nsakọ na ensaba na de ntia owura Thompson kase na ne se NDC for mo kasa court ya mo koyi mo afa evidence bia anko na mo afa evidence anko no what do you expect there ben na mo expect from judges no so mo enka na what do wasem akomo bi na sa what do wasem ekomo bi no wanfa evidence anka ho wanfa proof bia anka ho nipa na what do wasem ekoma na ne den na ogina so de aka asem bi de ama wo di bim kra na wanfa adanse bia ankyere se wei na kyere se mudi bim ana se wei na kyere se mudi fa edien na nipa ne begina so aka asem no de ama sa na NDC for mo asem no akwakoye sisi mo court mo amafa evidence bi anko mo afa proof bi anko obi sa mo witness asem ko mo hu nyomo ka sisi court na dem pa no mo ye ne no na owura Thompson kire se court na NDC for mo koye no mo afa proof evidence bi a nti court no so enim de mo gina so mo de eke bi ama mo nti no se mo afa proof na evidence bi anko de a mo so mo expect say they be feel lawyer judges no abia say mo jitu because moa na moama na abanisa na yenti ensem a owura Thompson owura Mensa Thompson de etudwa
second respondent no 50+1 said here
87.9
then the court will have no choice than to compel the first respondent easy no say we expect and our better than expert opinion again I'm walk afa ho then the electoral committee will have to also come out and defend themselves. Otherwise, the judge will only rule based on the testimony of the expert. But up to date, all my courts and if a pin sheet about crown from my courts, not a single pin sheet. It's because they will be say, in the end, this is for many pin sheets. Or more against or more call constituency coalition centers, or man for pin sheets back or more against or more call regional coalition centers, or man for pin sheets back or or more than some of call national coalition center, one for pinch back for grammar. Or more the buyer. Anyway, why are those evidence not in court?
FM 87.9.
Oh, and yes, he who calls for equity must come with clean hands. So, my court in Area, don't expect the court to give you something. So, my court in Area, don't expect the court to give you something. To get something, you must give the court something.
Sir, attention. This issue shall raise what draw the attention of the NDC to that.
I don't think they don't know. I think they know. Say I'm going to offer bias sophistication or my analysis on the election results. Or one so, or my nipa na analysis no. Court na analysis no eshedema. Na okọ court kwa you boost out the results we are we say man fan results are back quarter what them that means you yourself you're not serious about the case.
Okay. Mensa, my young fan community, I think that and after Supreme Court will interrogate more of these discussions. Na Bibia Hubia would be Medasipi. Mensa Thompson, Executive Director, Dema Asepa. Kwabran Sinchirin, so a regional Nadmo Director for Santa Region. But our Facebook page on our Command 87.9 FM. Share the video, like the page, and or comment the at all. Mamintio Century.
Yeah, Kofi, yes. Says he said, NDC representative in Tinaman Casano.
No, Nadia.
Mensa Thompson.
Oh, come on. Well, you need come on a poster or poster. It has nothing to do with Mensa Thompson being representing the NDC.
He's an NDC.
I'm sorry, I don't mean him that.
Wouldn't him, but I know.
Okay, I mean him that.
I know. Now, Kofi, Nina and Waka. Kofi, Ukraino, now wouldn't him say. Watimi amamu the entire data of the elections ni nyina ukoko to one fanko na hyedemwa na ede nti na ukoko to no fo Kofi na kam beso obusa Mensa Thompson say 13 pink sheet na Jojo Metenunu onum tin wie na wasan ye no sa 13 pink sheet no so no ewaye
Onum tea, one for biscuit and campacho.
Biscuit in the north and upper cream crackers. And also anybody, electoral commission supply. And tea coffee. Maybe the Supreme Court on Yana and you're interested. And Tiana may present me the mark in the crab.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
That's interesting. And you're interested, Mount.
Something
that can determine your position.
No. We are not even afraid of it in a bit.
Wow.
Wow. Because certain NDC lawyer Baku, a voter region, he's a parliamentarian. And the family. What's he withdraw case? What you say? Or no fees, there's no need.
Okay.
Now, Kofi, is the one kasa. Why emotions Baku 6? Nina no aquatia. Say energy become 1 na 7 energy you say 2 motions na 8 ni nyina so be kwatia Kofi enti sometimes na I thought to say enti papa ye kura no a John Mahama ye some of the judges in Libya odom ko Supreme Court no kura no wo so kura no so ata na because I didn't know akwala wonye chiba no wo de ne share Roman father bottom kura Kofi obewu obewu this is what you say and we need not to waste our time on discussing Supreme Court and this for no cry they are not even interested.
I see.
Now the John Mahama ya and say Rebecca say 2020 elections no obo modern and NDC for San Antoine so enya adwuma obi amfane nko said there don't go for any better na ka say no any man within the NDC with a right sensor or be contest John Mahama no. What you say? Now no the 3 wise men or 2 omukuni no. Kofi one position. They are emerging.
Yeah.
Say Yiti Mensa or
Council of State member.
Council of State member.
Abambaben.
Speaker of Parliament.
Speaker of Parliament.
Well, the 3rd gentleman in the system. President in the vice who takes over the presidency.
Oh no.
Yes, but Obiang Kosomo won't take you over because Obiang
won't take you over. I see. If you have it,
intimidate the maker say.
Okay. Wrap up, Mama and Uncle.
We shouldn't be serious with the NDC Omnium Supreme Court. Now, Kofi, Mamichia, war a race course.
Okay.
And when Senator, there has been a very big disaster. Omun chance no mubi bia swapper. Enti memaniako, and that's why me so. See, my friend say, baby, ashes is here.
Yeah. And I'm not pay.
I think so.
Wow.
Enti mehwe na maka.
Bedase.
Na Kofi ye beda wasi.
Medase.
Na mesre. Otifo no. Omada Roma, omubi wo hɔ a. Mentine nka e wo me phone so na omra ne ehwe se de betimi de hyehyɛ no ayɛ yie
Okay.
sɛ de bɛyɛ yɛbɛtumi monitor ade no koraa deɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ nwansena ne sɛnte koraa na ɛba a memfa gya ntom because ɛgya no a yɛde tum no yɛ artificial nipa da sani na de tum
No, but it appears as a mpanimfoɔ okurom obi ayi n'ani wɔ. And residents are suffering.
Kofi mpanimfoɔ no ɔmu okurom a ebi ne deɛ yi.
You have the mayor, you have the metropolitan chief executive, you have the ministers, you have the civil servant, the EPA, all the health authorities.
Kofi.
You have the regional animal director. Kofi,
where you want
no, but say action must be taken.
Exactly, but it must be reported. Say, see, I'm here radio. You know, me buy my back and once a week. Intosifoɔ yi metie mu wɔ radio so yɛna me ne ɔmo kɔɔ yɛ wa wotena aka nhyehyɛ yɛ mekora wa mmɔ din isa wo de aseɛ yɛde nyinaa nyɛ kwa ne ɛkɔ no enti Kofi sɛ wo yɛreɛ no wantumi amfa wo yɛreɛ anto dwa who can cure you kumawu sɛ ama akwa bi wɔse fɔmina yɛ hospital no aba YouTube aba WhatsApp so aba video so aba we sɛ wo de aseɛ eti sɛ aba YouTube no na mi dɛ no aba YouTube no na sɛ Kofi mo amfa anya adwuma aba WhatsApp so mo amfa anya adwuma aba radio so mo amfa anya adwuma ɛne ɔno abɛyɛ dɛ ɔno abɛka ana meboa ɛna nna mi so ma ba ha ya mi se ɔmo amra mɛka na yɛntwerɛ ho krata because yɛahwɛ yi a ebetimi de yare a ano ɔde a ɛkyɛn COVID ɛde abrɛ wɔ.
Okay. I see. A very quick one. So, lawyer Ivan Samankwa on the line. I'm ready to get him now. Yeah, wrap up the discussion. But I tell you, for Facebook page now, Momami the OT Belucci, Momami the OT emphasized the videos and the images are part of the discussion. But